10 reasons to take college classes at SouthArk this summer. Reason 1. It takes 16 weeks to complete a class in a standard semester. At SouthArk this summer, you can finish one in less than 5. Reason 2. You can study in this incredibly comfortable library seating area. Reason 3. This college vice president can reach very high things. Reason 4. Through our e-college, you can take classes anywhere. You can still go on vacation. Reason 5. You can hang out by the fountain at Howard Heritage Plaza. Just don't get too close on a windy day. Reason 6. This possibly authentic Elvis Presley signature located somewhere on campus. Reason 7. College at SouthArk is so affordable, you could have money left over for who knows what.
You know what, guys? Lunch is on me today. Oh my smoothie. Smoothie. I want pizza. I'm not sure. I want salad. The smoothie is the best.
Reason 8. This fabulous free gift. Available while supplies last. Reason 9. Because this puppy has taken your car keys. And she's headed to SouthArk now. Reason 10. It's a great time to pick up SouthArk apparel on sale at the bookstore.